am extremely happy to welcome the children of class 11 to the present edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about the revised syllabus of class 11 English core for the academic year 2021 and 22. Dear children, today we are discussing about first term. Like any other question paper of class 11, the revised syllabus is having section A, reading, 2 unseen passages. One passage 8 marks, another passage 5 marks. So total marks for reading section is 13 marks. Nothing new, only difference in the length of the passage. Section B, short writing task, that is notice for 3 marks. After that, business or official letters, making inquiries, complaints, placing orders, inquiry, etc. For this you are getting 5 marks. So totally for writing section you are getting 5 marks. Section C, grammar, 4 marks. They given the topics for first term, determiners, tenses and reordering of sentences, and jumbled sentence which you did in 10th class. So that they are giving. For these 3 items you are getting 4 marks. Now let us go to your books. You have 2 books, English Reader and Supplementary Reader. English Reader Hornbill and Supplementary Reader Snapshots. So in English Reader you have lessons, the portrait of a lady. Second lesson, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Next, third one is discovering that the saga continues. Fourth one, landscape of the soul. So 4 lessons from English Reader. Poems, only 2 poems from English Reader. A photograph, first poem. Next one is the laburnum top, only 2 poems. Out of lessons and poems, they are giving 9 marks. 9 marks for English Reader, both combined together, lessons and poems. Next one is Supplementary Reader. For Supplementary Reader, you are getting 6 marks. Topics, the summer of the beautiful white horse, the address, Ranga's marriage. Continuous first 3 topics of Supplementary Reader. So summer of the beautiful white horse is the first topic, address second topic, third topic, so all the 3 are given for 6 marks. So you will be given extracts and you will be asked some questions in English Reader. So Supplementary Reader also. So total marks, let us see the marks total. Section A 13 marks, section B 8 marks, section C, that is grammar, 4 marks, section D literature, combining together English Reader and Supplementary Reader, 15 marks. So total marks 40, and ASL, that is internal assessment, 10 marks. So grand total is 50 marks. So this is your first term syllabus. So kindly concentrate, and you will be posted many videos, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.